The Ford F-150. Do you have a clunk when you take off from a red light? Or a squeak when you go over a bump? Well, here's the issue. Notoriously at 35,000 miles, these pads go out.
I'm being told this is the issue. The plastic or nylon pad between the upper and middle leaf spring. I'm also being told that this is the answer. I obtain these from ATQ Automotive Products. Let's see how well they do. Personally, I like to do some safety things like chalking my wheels, setting the park brake, and not jack the truck up in the center. Instead, I'm going to jack it up one side at a time. That way, the opposite wheel will still be in contact with the ground. Now that we have the truck jacked on one side, we can force open that top and middle spring and change that rusty old contact pad that comes on the Ford vehicles. The heat index is 102 today. We're gonna wedge these things apart. Just keep working them in there. And then we'll reach a point where it ain't gonna get any wider. Squeeze these. Just kind of baby it out of there. And you just keep working it until you get them out. Ta-da! Of course, now we got to clean that up a little bit. Just personally, I'm going to spray some of that Boeing lubricant there. I'll show you in a second.
This is a product called Bow Shield T9. A lot of woodworkers, including myself, use this product to coat the cast iron table on your table saw. Prevents rust. Also, with these new isolator pads comes a lubricant that's specially made for these leaf springs. It's called Energy Suspension Pre-Lube.
Alright. Apply a little grease on both sides. I don't know if you can see that. Easy. peasy. Let's do the rest.
We're going to add a little bit more of that spring lube here.
You can see here we've applied that lubricant, and in we go. Fits like a glove. Get our
Okay, here's where that clunking noise comes from. Those cheaper OEM pads, as they wear out notoriously about 35,000 miles on the F-150, the springs start slamming into each other on takeoff, making that clunking noise.
Thanks for watching.